Welcome to this guide on creating a Shopify account in Pakistan. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store and sell products worldwide. Although Shopify doesn't have official support for Pakistan, you can still set up an account and start your online business. Follow the step-by-step instructions below to get started. Step 1. Visit the Shopify website. Open your web browser and go to the official Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Step 2. Sign up. On the Shopify homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. This will take you to the sign up page. Here, you'll be asked to provide your email address, password, and store name. Fill in the required information and click on the Start Free Trial button. Step 3. Enter your store information. After signing up, Shopify will prompt you to enter some basic information about your store. Provide details such as your store name, address, and phone number. Make sure to select Pakistan as your country. Step 4. Customize your store. Once you've entered your store information, you'll be directed to the admin panel. Here, you can customize your store's appearance by choosing a theme and adding your branding elements. Explore the different customization options to create a visually appealing and user-friendly store. Step 5. Add products. To start selling, you need to add products to your store. In the admin panel, click on the Products tab and then select Add Product. Fill in the product details, including the title, description, price, and images. You can also set up inventory tracking and variants if applicable. Step 6. Set up payment gateway. To accept payments from customers, you need to set up a payment gateway. While some popular payment gateways like PayPal may not be available in Pakistan, you can explore local options such as 2Checkout, Payoneer, or Cash on Delivery, COD. Choose a payment gateway that suits your business needs and follow the instructions provided by Shopify to integrate it with your store. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. Navigate to the Settings tab in your admin panel and click on Shipping. Set up your shipping rates based on your product's weight, dimensions, and destination. Determine whether you offer free shipping or charge customers for shipping costs. It's essential to clearly communicate your shipping policies to avoid any confusion. Step 8. Launch your store. Before launching your store, make sure to review and test all the essential functionality such as the checkout process, payment integration, and shipping calculations. Once you're confident that everything is set up correctly, it's time to launch your store and start promoting it to potential customers. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Shopify account in Pakistan and set up your online store. Remember to regularly update your products, manage orders, and provide excellent customer service to drive the success of your e-commerce business. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey!